this one, I'm going to use 12 pounds. And we're going to move into a lunge position, starting with your right arm. Step forward, push your hips back, knee is right on top of the ankle. And Vince, can you get a shot of this so people can see this at home? Now, a couple things I want you to see. Knees on top of the ankle. And where you have your upper body is really dependent upon the lever length of your leg to your upper body. So I'm going to push my hips back, pull my elbow nice and high, go down, now tricep extension. Keep that elbow tight to your body. Down, really low, come up slow, pushing through the forward heel. Now don't just drop that weight, lower and slowly come down. Push up to the forward heel. Tricep extension, elbows up nice and high. Bring it down, push up, tricep, now the elbows up nice and high, push. Now bring it down slowly, continue guys, continue. Good, Mike, you're doing awesome. So I want to show you a couple things Mike is doing right, so I'm going to get behind you so I don't interrupt your rep. Okay, so the arm is close to the chest, close to the rib cage, shoulders down away from his ear. Look, he's holding that rep at the top. Go down and up, beautiful. See where his elbow is? Just pretend someone's holding on your elbow and it never moves from this spot. Beautiful job. The muscle should be shaking. That's one way to know that you're reaching fatigue. Are you shaking your girlfriend? Okay. I mean, this is as effective as working with weights. They are no joke. Extend. Beautiful. Can I tell them your age? 60. Okay, so muscle makes you young, and it makes you lean, and it makes you obviously fit and beautiful. You guys did great. So one more rep if you can do it. One more rep if you can do it. Come on. Don't give up. Janelle, you're done. That's great. Fantastic. If the weights you selected allow you to get to 10, and then you have to take a break, that's perfect. So great job, guys. Switch arms, switch legs. Here we go. Now hold in the left hand, which means your opposite leg will be forward. Elbows up nice and high. Okay, again, that lunge position, knees on top of the